बहुत तेज गति से उस पर निर्णय लिए गए, तेज गति से उस पर काम शुरू किया। विश्व की सबसे जो बेहतरीन टेक्नोलॉजी है शिंकनसेन को भारत में लाया गया। मुझे आज बड़ा खेद है, बहुत दुख है कि महाराष्ट्र में जब से नई सरकार आई है 1.5 वर्ष पहले, इस काम का पूरी तरीके से एक प्रकार से फुल स्टॉप कर दिया है।
Today we're going to talk about some interesting facts about Piyush Goyal, who is the Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry in the Consumer Affairs and Food and Policy Distribution in the Government of India. He is also the Deputy Leader of the Rajya Sabha. He was earlier the Minister of Railways and Coal in 2017 and 2019. He has also held additional charge of Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs twice in 2018 and 2019. Earlier, he was the Minister of State for Power, Coal, New and Renewable Energy and Mines. Mr. Goyal's tenure has been the best ever since it has achieved a lot of safety record in 2018 to 2019 in Indian Railways. This was achieved through holistic measures such as elimination of unmanned level crossings from the broad gauge network, production of safer coaches. Additionally, Mr. Goyal oversaw the launch of the first indigenous semi-high-speed train Vande Bharat Express between Delhi and Varanasi. The Power, Coal and New and Renewable Energy Ministries had transformational changes in India's power sector, including the fast tracking of electrification of the nearly 18,000 unelectrified villages in some of the remotest and inaccessible parts of the country. The rollout of the most comprehensive power sector reform ever, that is Uday, the success of the world's largest LED bulb distribution program. His other achievements include the elimination of coal shortages to improve the energy security of India and successful conduct of transparent e-auctions of coal blocks. He has also received the 4th annual Carnot Prize in 2018, recognized the path-breaking transformations in India's energy sector. During his 35-year-long political career, Mr. Goyal has held several important positions at different levels in the world's largest political party, that is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, and is in its national executive. He has also been the national treasurer of the party. In 2019 Indian general elections, he was a member of the Manifesto and Publicity Committee. He also headed the BJP's Information Communication Campaign Committee for the Indian General Elections 2014. Mr. Goyal has had a brilliant academic record, All India second rank holder, chartered accountant, and second rank holder in law in Mumbai University. He was a well-known investment banker and has advised top corporates on management strategy and growth. He has also served on the board of India's largest commercial bank, the State Bank of India and the Bank of Baroda. He has also been nominated by the Government of India to the Task Force for Interlinking of Rivers in 2002. Saying he is one of the few people who make India proud with so much of talent and so much of intellectual work that he has put out through his hard work and his great mind. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.